Alright, so episode 2 of this Argentine extravaganza. I'm heading out to the lobby to meet up with my boss so we can go find stuff to look at so I can try and peep's probably not a good word. Find stuff for you guys to see that's interesting. Probably grab some tango, not gonna grab tango dancers either. I'm having issues. I'm tired. I don't sleep on planes. But yeah, so this will be beginning of video number 2. There'll be fun, I'm sure. It's gonna be fine. There we go, down the murder hall. Looks like The Shining. But yeah, point out again, look at this glass. You can look all the way down the exterior wall, where this was an old building, and they just built a hotel inside of it. Again, it's called the San Telmo. It's in, where the hell am I? Well, Buenos Aires, but San Telmo? Yeah, San Telmo is the neighborhood. So, let's go get some Malbec, or just good Argentine red wine or something, and steak. It's raining. That's cool. There are a couple years on it. That bar is actually good. I need a rose in my mouth because I got to break it down. And Starbucks. So the white Starbucks mocha.
I'm actually thinking, should I get an espresso?
We've ruined cool stuff by putting Starbucks in every corner.
I'm kind of happy it's there. I'm going in the morning.
Yeah. You know, this whole scene is cooler when you're not lugging a bag. Yeah. I swear it'd be better if it looks like a bunch of college kids, so. Soccer fans. Yeah.
Gracias.
Argentina bourbon. Right on. Lima, Peru. It was for Lucy's
No,
mom's.
you're right. It wasn't Lima though. The one I'm thinking of was in.
Oh, Barcelona.
No.
And, you know, feudal architecture.
What do they call that? Christmas.
Amazing.
What's the word for that?
It's like Argentine free card money. I don't think Mrs. Monkey would want that one. I'll tell you why later.
¿Qué va a perder San Telmo?
So we found the food area. Huh.
Gracias.
Argentina bourbon. Right on. It's a modern art masterpiece. I've been into the Argentine bourbon. It's good. It's called Baker something. But we got, I'm an artiste. So the mask thing, for anyone freaks out, there's a law. If you're not from Argentina, you have to wear a mask everywhere. So before you freaking whack jobs out there start typing your manifesto, do that or get a ticket, dude. Calm down.